COVID-19 Safe Workplace Guide: 5 Key Steps to a Safe Working Environment. COVID-19 has affected us all with an unprecedented impact on the health, well-being and economic security of our families. We closed our operations to protect our employees and to help limit the spread of the virus. As we continue our phased return to work, the health and well-being of our colleagues remains our priority. New procedures are in place at all of our offices and factories to ensure we are working safely. These cover the following key areas. 1. When to come to work and when to stay at home. You should not attempt to work at any of our offices or factories or a customer's site if you have a high temperature, a new and persistent cough, a loss of or change in your normal sense of taste or smell, or you are living with someone who is in self-isolation. If you display any of these symptoms at home, please self-isolate immediately and inform your manager as soon as possible. 2. Traveling to work. You should travel to work alone or with members of your household. Avoid car sharing and public transport. If that is not possible, please inform your manager and discuss appropriate measures for your journey. When at work, remember to maintain social distancing when getting in and out of your car. 3. Personal protective equipment. The usual PPE will be issued when you return to work. As per the government guidelines, face coverings are not mandatory but will be provided where it is a necessity and will be agreed between the employee and the line manager. All employees will have their temperature checked on arrival to work. No site will operate without appropriate and adequate stock levels of PPE. 4. Workplace and personal hygiene requirements. New cleaning regimes are in place for all office and operational areas. Your team leader will explain this to you in further detail on your return to work. When entering or leaving a building, please wash your hands for at least 20 seconds using soap and water. Hand sanitizer will also be available at various locations across all our offices and factories. 5. Social distancing. To ensure we keep to the recommended 2-meter distancing measures, we will be staggering start and finish times, break and lunch times, and managing potential queues at all bottlenecks within our buildings. Please consult your manager for specific details. Non-essential visitors will not be allowed on our premises, and deliveries will be carefully managed. Canteens, communal areas and workstations will have distancing measures in place, including maximum occupancies. You must not do anything that would breach any of the company's COVID-19 guidelines. We have a management process in place for those who do not adhere to these procedures. Remember, there is nothing more important than your own health and that of your family. Please ensure that you comply with all of our new COVID-19 policies, procedures, rules and guidelines. On your return to work, you will receive further details on our policies and procedures to maintain a safe working environment. If you require further information, please speak to your manager. Let's all work together to stay safe and healthy.